What is up, guys? We're back, another video, another unboxing. You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Jay, and today's video I am going to be unboxing a pretty cool sneaker. It's another collaboration, another Jordan 1. Jordan 1s aren't what they used to be unless they're super hyped, or if it's like a Travis Scott collab or just anything over the top, then yes, it's gonna be a crazy sneaker. But for the most part, even collaborations just haven't been hitting like they used to, which is a good thing. I like Jordan 1 staying under 400 bucks, you know, and I enjoy that, man. I'm picking up as many as I can possibly that I could afford before this Jordan 1 phase hits again and people just start buying Jordan 1s again. I think the hype has moved up into like the 4s. I think a lot of people are loving the 4s now, so no problem there, man. 4s are, it's a beautiful sneaker, and I could see why a bunch of people like that shoe, 'cause it's super wearable. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys please hit the like button. If you guys are watching this right now, hit the like button, bro, because when you hit the like button, it helps this channel out so much. You guys don't even know. So please, you know, take a moment and just scroll down and hit that like button, turn that button blue. If you haven't already and you enjoy sneaker content, hit the subscribe button, bro, because I'm gonna be bringing content this year. I'm gonna be doing it at least one video a week. I'm not saying I'm always gonna be unboxing like the newest sneaker that's coming out. I'm not always gonna have early reviews, but what I can say is that I'm gonna try to show you guys everything that comes in through this door. All right, so let's get on with this unboxing. These I picked up from Soul Steals. You guys already know the trophy room situation with those. I never got my ticket. They told me that they're gonna look for it, and I mean, I'm already tired of emailing them about my ticket, you know. And I tried to speak highly of them on my last video, and then just to like be ignored, so I just took that video out, and it is what it is, bro. If you guys want to know what happened in the last video that I released where I was talking about unboxing the most hated sneaker, yes, that's what ended up happening. They ended up telling me they were gonna give me a ticket. They never got back to me. It's already been a couple weeks. I'm still keeping faith that they're gonna do the right thing, but if they don't, it is what it is, bro. But this is where I got this shoe from, and this might actually be one of my last unboxings with them if we don't get that solved, all right? Because at the end of the day, bro, it's all about loyalty, and it's all about, you know, if I show love, then they should show love back. So anyway, man, here it is right here. Here's my Soul Steals receipt. Half the time they don't even give you a receipt, to be real with you guys. So I didn't get a receipt with my trophy rooms, and I mean, they actually gave me a receipt with this one. It does say my name and everything, but yeah, half the time you're not gonna get a receipt, bro. So that's one of the rare occasions where I actually got a receipt from them. So anyway, man, this reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP Sail Burgundy Crush. To me, it's crazy how like this is like supposed to be a burgundy, because to me this looks like a brown. So I'm kind of excited to see, like, well, I'm curious to see how these sneakers look in hand, because a lot of people say it looks like a burgundy, but to me on pictures it actually looks like a brown. So yeah, you got this sleeve that they've been doing lately, is just to hype the sneaker up. I don't know, I mean, it's a nice presentation, and you know, it's $200 price tag, I believe. Yeah, $200 retail. I wasn't lucky enough to hit for retail, but you know, it is what it is, bro. If you really want some, you're gonna have to, you know, nowadays you just gotta fork out a few bucks, man. And if not, just pass up on the shoe, bro, and find something else. There's so many similar colorways nowadays. But yeah, this is a burgundy. This is supposed to be burgundy. I'm on my Air Jordan 1. You guys already know what it is. But here you have this presentation, man. Very nice. Then you're gonna have this sail white, I guess like a creamy box with this. To me, this looks brown, but I guess it's burgundy. I don't see the burgundy in it, but to me it looks really brown. But there you guys see the size tag and all that. This thing is just in and out of focus, but there you guys see it. And hopefully you guys could kind of make that out. Anyways, this is I'm on my Air. You guys already know. Air Jordan 1 box, I'm on my Air. You guys can see the collaboration all around, the branding all around the box. Let's open this up, and this is very nice. This is very I like this attention to detail on the bottom of this lid. You got Jordan with this famous dunk pose. You already know, man, that free throw line dunk. Very nice. This is I'm on my Air. And then, you know, you got a, you know, obviously this ain't, oh, this don't look like Jordan, bro. I don't think that's Jordan, man. Jordan didn't have his hair like that. So is that Jordan, bro? How come this guy's got like a goatee on his chin? I don't know, bro. Maybe I'm tripping, bro, but I don't look like Jordan. I don't know. I think he's trying to like reenact Jordan. I don't know. But yeah, man, he's dunking. You already know. That infamous Jordan dunk. So here we have the paper, the wax paper. You already know, man. And here we have the shoes. Very cool to see, man, in person. Again, I am not picking up the burgundy. Oh, Yeah, okay, I see. It's like a burgundy brownish color. I'm looking at it right now. Let's get this one out. And I like that these are in actual men's sizing. This material is a little different. Now I must say that Jordan 1s that have any other material than some nice tumbled leather never tend to do very good, alright? So sneakers that don't have like very nice quality and leather, they just tend to not do very good, no matter how the shoe is or how hyped, or the Nike tries to do, like hype that shoe up so much, but it just doesn't matter, bro. If the quality ain't there, bro, a lot of these shoes just plummet in value. So as far as this, as what I'm seeing, it's like a very like a hairy suede, and then it's got this very cracked, like it almost reminds me of what's on the Taupe 4s. It's like very cracked material, and I didn't expect this. I hadn't seen a review on this shoe, so I was kind of waiting because I knew that this was one that I was gonna get in hand sooner or later, that I was gonna pay the money for it. You know, as long as it didn't go too high. But yes, I picked them up, and yeah, dude, the materials are a lot different. It's just a very different material, bro. All right, and now I'll give you guys like some B-roll. But yeah, the material is like that Taupe 4 material, and I feel like usually like when the tongue isn't a nylon tongue, and you know you ain't got that the OG materials on the shoe with the collab, then it just doesn't do as good. So I don't know, I'm kind of curious to see where these will be at years from now, or maybe a year from now. But yeah, you know, this shoe is very nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know if you guys picked these up. Let me know if you guys enjoyed these. Very cool shoe. I just wanted to share this pickup with you guys, and that way you guys could just let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Just a very cool shoe, man. It doesn't have too much going on it. You guys see the midsole is like a creamy off-Whitish midsole. And yes, they just don't look like they're going to be very comfortable either, only because of the materials around the shoe. It just doesn't look like it's going to be a comfortable sneaker. But at the end of the day, what Jordan 1 is comfortable, you know, unless you're getting the Zoom Air Jordan 1s that they kind of upgraded a year ago whenever they did the Zoom Air stuff. You know, those are pretty comfortable. I actually have a pair. But yeah, man, and you got this very nice hang tag here with the Alma Manera. It's actually like a very nice high-end material, kind of like a leather, very nice leather hang tag here, and that's a nice touch. You know, I appreciate Alma Manera going all out and giving us the best quality that they possibly could. And yeah, man, it's your boy Jay Hernandez. Man, this right shoe looks a little bit more like crinkled, the toe cap, than the other one. But yeah, man, it's your boy Jay Hernandez, and you know what? We're out of here with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys picked these up. Let me know if you plan on picking them up. Sock liner, very nice, guys. It's got that quilted sock liner that they've been doing. That was on the 3s. Just high quality stuff, dude. Alma Manera is all about high quality, so you guys already know. Dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think. It's your boy Jay. I'm out of here, man. Take it easy, never sleazy. Saludos, hasta luego, peace.